Hello everyone, this is Kalpesh from Self-Taught Programmer. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you Python programming language. But before getting started, we need to download some tools to run Python. So first, open your browser and type Python download. Just click on the first link and download the Python. After that, we need to download an IDE or text editor. Personally, I will recommend you to download an IDE which is VS Code. So just download VS Code from its official site. I have already downloaded both the tools. So just we need to install Python and VS Code. So first double click on the downloaded file. Make sure that you have checked at Python 3.82 path. Just check it and click on install now. Once the setup successfully installed, just close it and install your VS Code. Just click on run. Just accept the agreement and click on next until it gets installed. Just wait a second until it gets installed. Now open the VS Code and we will run our first Python program. Just create a file, new file, and type print parentheses double quotation and message which you want to display. Save this file with the extension .py. So this is our first Python program. Here we just simply print a line which says hello world. So print function is used to print message. So now we need to run this file, so just click on the arrow and it will run Python file. As you can see, our program successfully executed and it print hello world, which is defined in print statement. If you change it to something else and just save it and run it again, as you can see the message is changed. So that's for the lecture. In this lecture I told you how to download and install VS Code and run our first Python program. If you want to learn Python programming, then subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, regarding to Python, just comment. I'll try to solve your problem as soon as possible.